Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Odette. Just want to show you, for the last month we have been concentrating on the stairs. I just want to give you an update where we are at with it. So this is the entrance hall now. So you can see there was a partition wall with a door that we have removed. So that creates a much spacious entrance hall. So there is still a lot of finishing to do. I have removed all the wallpaper yesterday because we need to finish off these corners and in here. So as you can see, obviously Mr. B can't plaster onto the wallpaper, so I had to remove all the wallpaper. So it's still a lot of finishing to do. We have reused as much as we could of the materials we had to finish off. So bits of wall we have removed, then we removed the skirting board. We have reused the skirting board to finish off new walls. This is our lovely new stairs. And electrics are still ongoing because we want a light fitting there to illuminate the stairs. Also, we have this switch here for the porch because initially, as I explained, there was an entrance porch here. So we still have this switch as well that switches on the lights in the corridor and hall and in the porch, if I show you. So this one was for the porch as well individually. We don't need it there now. What we do need is one outside here, because when we arrive to the house at night, we can't see to fit the key to open the door. So that switch now, that is on the outside, will turn this light on. About this light, I have started to dismantle. It's this old-fashioned, I call them tit lights. They are brass. I'm planning to spray them black and reuse them. The dome is here. As you can see, this is the color, and the fitting on the top is this color as well. So I will make a video and show you to see how it works out, but I want to spray that matte black and reuse it. If not, this one, a similar one that we had, that was in here, that we now have removed, because as you can see, we now have a big, say hello Mia. We now have a big entrance hall and we have that light there. We don't need this one here at the door. So going back to the stairs, we are coming up the stairs. So as you can see, still a lot of finishing to do. We can't go any further until Mr. B sorts out all the electrics. There's been a lot of electrics involved. So this is our stairs coming up. To my right is the second bedroom, guest bedroom. As you can see in there again, more light fittings because we need to have a two-way or three-way switch, so when we are upstairs we can switch off the lights in the stairs. So, and to my left we have now this area, what I call the chill out room. It's basically just things we have, pieces of furniture and chairs. I'm just putting them all together. This is not the final product. It's just to look decent, clean, tidy while the building work is going on. So you can see on your right hand side in the end there, that's the guest shower room. Still not completed yet. And on the very end, the first guest room, all my storage. If I show you here, a lot of work still needs to be done. As you can see there, that the stairs going down. So Mr. B still needs to finish off all of these bits here. Coming back down again the stairs. And going to show you around the corner. Let me open the door for Mia, because for some reason she wants to go into the day room. Oh, because Pixie is in there, so she wants to play with Pixie. All right, so carry on. So this is the stairs dog leg now. As you can see, Mr. B already have put all the bead to start the plaster. We had to close this off, obviously. Again, we reuse skirting board left over to touch up in there. The double socket has now been relocated. The same thing here. Mr. B managed to touch up this skirting board. So if I can show you, this really is recycle, recycle, recycle. So you can see there, that's from one of the frames. This one by the color was obviously inside the office originally. And this is a door frame that was reused as well. There is awful lot of filling, as you can see there, and I just have started. So that's why all this multitude of colors, because we have used whatever we could use. Sometimes when you're taking things out, wood work does get broken, so we used what wasn't broken. And Mr. B has done a fantastic job just reusing everything. The door that was originally there is now in here. Switch we have in here for the corridor and for the office. Another light have now been fitted in there as well, that we didn't have any. This is our office now. If you remember, if you follow me in the beginning, I said eventually will just be a white corridor, and that's exactly what this is. Perfectly fine for us for what we need. A lot of work have been going on in here as well. So we used to have a double socket here, what now has been relocated behind the desk. Again, fantastic work from Mr. B to reusing skirting boards and door frames, architraves, everything. As you can see in this house, we have this beautiful detail, so Mr. B have replicated that. So if I close this for you to see, in my last video you seen was just a big hole on the wall, so more patch up to do. So a lot of wires need to be run to go upstairs. That's why that bit of coving was removed. Now I want to show you Mr. B have reused this door from the cupboards upstairs and has created understairs cupboard for me, and it's the coolest cupboard ever. If I show you, look at this. Mr. B have cladded these stairs with wood pallet for me, and as you can see, another drawer that I upcycled creates a fantastic shelf, and that's where I keep all my stuff. All the essentials that no one wants to see is all in here. It's fantastic. I asked Mr. B to have a flush door. This is purposely like this because I don't want any knobs in here, because the plan is to paint all the same color as the wall, and basically, I don't know if you understand, but basically I just want the door to disappear. We have received from our solicitor finally the house architect plans, so I'm planning to frame them and put them up here. So all this wall needs plastering as well. the bead is already in place. We still have this corner here. That's been great debate. Mr. B wants to fit cupboard with doors. I want just open shelves to store office things and my sewing machine, my sewing basket, that type of thing. At the moment, this little corner is used as a tool drop-off zone, but eventually we will have some shelves all the way up. I'd like some simple rustic shelves so that we can store things in here. So this is pretty much what has been going on for the last couple of weeks. There's been a lot of work, a lot of electrics involved, but so far we are really pleased. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I will be happy to answer any questions. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to give the thumbs up and to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Bye bye.